morning, guys. Welcome to James C. Rides. I'm John, and today we're going to be talking about the new JL Wrangler. If you've probably been on any of the Facebook groups or Instagram, you've probably seen pictures or videos of a new Jeep owner that took delivery of a JL Wrangler. They literally drove it from the dealership 6 miles down the road, and the thing just stopped. They can't turn on the Jeep, and they left them stranded on the side of the road.
So, we're here at the side of the road here, the beautiful PA Turnpike, heading towards I-70. So just picked up our new JL Wrangler. Drove out in our nice Tacoma that's running and keeping us warm. Came through the toll booth in our nice JL Wrangler here. It died at the toll booth and isn't restarting. Oh yeah, we got errors flashing.
I mean, I've said this in the past, typically when you buy the first year model of any vehicle, you're gonna come across weird issues. I'm sure Jeep will figure out what's wrong with it and fix it. And for all you other JL Wranglers that are out there, or soon to be JL Wranglers, I mean, it sucks dealing with all these little issues and everything, but at the end of the day, your vehicle's gonna be under warranty. It's gonna be annoying taking it back and forth to the dealership, and I'm sure there will be recalls and that kind of thing, but it actually brings me to a good point as far as my JK. This is the 2017 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon Hard Rock, and about the only other Jeep that was probably going to be a better Jeep to get at this moment would probably be the Recon, and that's because this is pretty much like the last of the JKs. So I'm hoping by now they finally figured out all the bugs and that kind of thing, and everything should be good. About the only thing that's not good with my JK is the damn water leaks. I brought it to the dealership. They fixed the water leak. At least I thought they did. I actually drove my Jeep a few days ago, and my driver's side door was soaked. So I'll probably be dropping it off, you know, to take care of the water leak issue again. But besides that, all the functional stuff, all the important stuff works on the Jeep. And I've already modified my Jeep a bunch and everything, but as far as the engine, transmission, that's been solid, no issues. About the only issue I think I've ever had with my JK has been the water leak issue. So not that big of a deal, at least to me. I mean, I'd be more pissed off if my JK was leaving me stranded on the side of the road like these guys. I mean, they spent all this money on a new JL and they're waiting to get picked up by a tow truck. But anyway, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if any of you guys that are local in Long Island have any JL Wranglers on order. Curious to know. And if you've already taken delivery of your JL Wrangler, please let me know in the comments below if you've had any issues with yours. It'd be nice to kind of just get the information out there on social media so that we all know what's going on. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed today's video, go ahead, give the video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new, click the little bell icon so you can sign up for the notifications, and have a good day.
Set it off, I shouldn't have drove, getting hot to set it off, I shouldn't have drove.